Piligi po natin ang pelikulang Meet, Greet, and Buy. Suportahan natin ang pelikulang Pilipino. Mga kaso pa kami! Alright!
Hello everyone, Carlos mo para po. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Panoorin po din.
Hi! Selfie.
Once again, the stellar cast of Meet, Greet, and Buy. We are so grateful na nakasama po namin kayo tonight. And muli napakita na po ni Bon na we're all inviting you, of course, to watch Meet, Greet, and Buy tomorrow na po yan, 450.
Meet, Greet, and
Robbie!
Okay, let's go, Robbie.
What can you expect? Actually, pinag-uusapan nga namin ni Kay dito kanina eh. Pati kami, we're not entirely sure what to expect. Kasi pati yung premiere na to, surprise din to para sa amin. But I'm sure you can expect to see the love and the values of family and yung journey nito.
Yeah, I would say emotional roller coaster po ito. It's a thank you everyone for coming kasi sobrang grateful kami na nakapunta kayo kahit may typhoon po. Thank you.
Ako ina-expect ko ngayong gabi pabaha ulit, no? Nang luha naman. Kasi napakaganda po itong pelikula to at maraming salamat sa lahat ng pumunta. At syempre, pag direct Kati, alam nyo na kung anong mangyayari at alam nyo na kung gaano kaganda. So maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng sumuporta. Salamat.
Go, Kao. Nasabi naman na po nila. Pero sana nakapagbaon din po tayo lahat ng tissue ngayong gabi. And sana spread the word po. Meet, Greet, and Buy. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta din. Yes. Kayo naman po.
Hi, good evening. Hindi ko napanood yung buong pelikula but I can assure you that it's a heartwarming film. And si Marnie po kami po ang masaya po ang aming mga eksena kasi kami po ay K-pop fans. Yun po.
Yun po. Supportan po natin ang movie na ito. Napakaganda.
We are so excited. Meet, Greet, and Buy, truly a story of Filipino families and cherishing your time with your loved ones, siblings, and mothers or parents, and even fathers. Maraming salamat po sa our supporting cast. Thank you guys so much. I think pwede na sila to take their seats. Thank you so much. Again, Sir Paz is here, Kauri Oinuma, KD Estrada, Robbie Jewers. All good na. Thank you so much. Again, our cast of Meet, Greet, and Buy. Joshua Garcia,
Hi po! Hi, Sir Da. Hi, Sir Da. Guwapo! Thank you, Marian. Hi, Bayan. Marian, hello. Love you, Marian. Get up! Bel, hi! Congrats! Belinda! Belinda!
Bel! Bel!
Congratulations po. Yes. Ay, okay, akyat ako. Diyos ko. Guys, part na ako ng questions. Okay, so of course, yes, naka-yellow po ako for today, but congratulations.
Hi, Josh!
Josh!
Let's go!